Anthony! What's up, dude?
I was thinking we could do some slow motion stuff today.
Ooh, that sounds super fun. What do you have in mind?
Well, I've got eggs, water balloons, and a couple other ideas of stuff we can do slow-mo with.
Nice! Let's go do some slow-mo.
All right, first up are eggs. I bet these'll be cool. Woo! That was excellent!
Whoa, that was nuts! What's next?
Next is a can of carbonated juice. Whoa! It exploded and rocketed away. Cool!
Oh, that was cool. What's our next slow-mo?
Next up, we have all of these water balloons. No way! Did you see the target get launched?
That was wild. What's up next?
Well, for this next one, I was hoping you'd be willing to do a giant slow-mo cannonball into the pool.
That sounds refreshing. I'm in. 3, 2, 1.
That was a great cannonball, Cole. Nice form. This has been the best day ever.
Thank you all so much for watching this week's episode of Anthony's Adventures.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
That's right. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the fun episodes that we'll be making together every single week. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.